now we have an issue over here. A friendly cicada killer is invading the property of my client. Let's count it. Okay, here we go. This is a big one right there. That's why I told her she's lucky because it's an echo, but it's annoying. They're big. They're huge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And then 11. It's too many of them. Here we go. Here we go. They're right there. They're right there. You see? Oh, just move away over here. Sometimes they stung you. Right there. See, if you
I don't bother them. They don't bother me.
if you observe them, I will demonstrate.
Yeah.
I will demonstrate. Just you don't have to show my face, but here's what happened. They go to the sand. Right? They go there, right? They put a hole on it.
Yeah.
And they dance. They dance like this.
Yeah. And what's the purpose of them dancing?
Because they're drilling the
They're
hole.
drilling.
They're drilling. And then they go to the tree, they catch
The cicadas.
cicadas, yeah.
And then they put the
They
cicadas.
go inside and eat them.
Really?
funny.
Yeah, that is funny.
So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blast them.
Okay.
We're not gonna put the white powder. If you put the white powder, you kill them.
Oh, we don't want to kill them?
No, but again, there's a chemical.
Oh.
We're gonna put it inside the thing. And sorry, don't come back over here.
It's a lot. Overnight. Over a couple days.
Yeah, because you see the surrounding is dry.
It really, this hasn't been a dry month.
You're gonna, because it's a marker. They know they always come here every year. That's what it says, right?
Yeah, you know, some years worse than others.
Yeah.
This is late. This is late.
These are the worst one I see.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because they're huge.
Yeah.
Because the other client is
Yeah.
only on the driveway, just small.
A couple. Yeah.
You guys
Yeah.
look like a leprechaun type.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're
You guys
welcome.
take care.
Okay.
So,
All right.
see.
Good.
Okay, let's see. The other one just went inside. I don't want to disturb them. There's something there. There's a hole there. They went inside the hole. Some kind. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Let me see. Ooh.
Careful.